How are you guys doing? This is Ryan. Welcome back to the channel. In this week's video, I want to show you how you can save over 20% on all your Amazon purchases by using Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin on a website called purse.io. So a lot of times I'll give people cryptocurrency or talk about it. Obviously, I'm an enthusiast. I have a YouTube channel that talks a lot about cryptocurrency. And they're like, well, what can we use it for? You just gave me some Bitcoin Cash. What should I use it for? I'm like, well, you should go spend it. Where? I'm like, well, do you shop on Amazon? You can buy anything on Amazon and save yourself a lot of money. So this is a great use case for cryptocurrency and a really cool website to use. I've been using this website over the last few months and I gotta say I really do enjoy it. And this is really what cryptocurrency is all about, becoming a currency and using it in commerce. And I'll talk about why you actually save money by using purse.io.
Rather than just going on Amazon.
I really like this tool because it opens up cryptocurrency to just about anyone, because you don't even have to like cryptocurrency, but you could like saving money on your Amazon purchases. So this is a nice, cool way to bring more of a bigger network effect into cryptocurrency and having more people adopt it. So with all that said, let's jump in the video. Alright guys, I'm going to turn on my screen record and I'm going to walk you through a transaction. So you actually have to go to purse.io and it's a website. So you're going to want to go onto the website and sign yourself in, email address, password, all that. I'm already signed into mine, just like you do with your Amazon account. And then you go over here and it says on the screen here, get a 15% discount on Amazon, shop with Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. So you may be thinking to yourself, how is this possible? How does this website offer me this discount? Well, let's go read. So if you go over here and you go to how it works, and I'll just read this for you, how it all works. Lightning fast at a lower discount for the faster order and delivery times as possible. So what that means is the more discount you ask for, the longer it's going to take, and that'll make sense in just another second. Name your discount. Ready to reach for a deeper deal? Set your discount according to the speed and savings you would like. On Purse, when you name your own discount, it is fulfilled by earners, individuals who wish to exchange their Amazon gift cards for cryptocurrency. As a shopper, you can reach for deeper discounts by trading delivery speed for savings. Pretty much what that means is, I'll just summarize, you're naming your discount and people go to purse.io and they buy Amazon gift cards and then they sell it and they match you up by someone that's willing to take X amount off their crypto purchase. So why would they want to do that? Why would someone want to buy cryptocurrency for 10% less? You can go on an exchange and probably save more money than that. You can go on an exchange like Coinbase or Voyager or Kraken or any of these big major exchanges, Binance, and get more savings than that. So what I believe is that there's people out there that want to keep their privacy. People really value privacy, and they may value it up to 10 to 20% off of what the cost of the cryptocurrency is. And they're probably pretty confident that these cryptocurrencies are going to go up in value over time. So 10, 20% today, when the coin goes up hundreds of percent over the next 5-10 years, it's not really that big of a deal. But also having your privacy is important because a blockchain and the way cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash works, it's very transparent. That's why you don't need a custodian to see what's going on, and that's why you can have this decentralized network, because everyone can see what everyone else is doing. You can go on websites like blockchain.info and see everything that's moving around on the network. You can look at the keys and where the money's going and why it's going, and it's overly transparent. So some people may want to have privacy for several reasons. Maybe they have a lot of wealth and they don't want to be a target per se, or maybe they are doing something that the government may not like. Who knows? Maybe they're giving money to Julian Assange because they like WikiLeaks, but the government doesn't want to support WikiLeaks, so they'll make you a criminal. There's a lot of reasons to want to have privacy, and those are just to name a few. And obviously, cryptocurrency started with the Silk Road, which was, there was a lot of purchases of illegal drugs on there. Illegal in terms of the government. I think the primary thing that was purchased on there was marijuana, not like the most harmful drug, and now it's becoming illegal. But anyways, free Ross Ulbright. So yeah, so this is a marketplace where people can buy Amazon gift cards and then they can exchange them for cryptocurrency, and using purse.io as the vehicle to do so. So I want to walk you through a purchase. It's a bit of a different experience than when you're shopping on Amazon. After you buy the item, you're like, did it really go through, or what's going on? Because it has to fill. You send your money out there and it has to fill. So I'll walk you through it. I'll read a little bit more of this page and we'll jump right into it. All right, so earner fulfillment. After you complete an order, it is listed on earner order books. Earners will exchange their Amazon gift cards for cryptocurrency and do so by seeking a favorable order and funding it through Purse. Shortly after an earner accepts, your tracking info is added to watch for and confirm delivery. So here's a little demonstration. Name your discount, pay in crypto to Purse, earner purchases your order from Purse, your order is delivered. For example, I just got this Logitech webcam for live streaming. I'm going to be on Mike the Investor's YouTube channel on Tuesday. I'll share the exact time soon. I think it's 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Mike has a channel of about 60,000 subscribers. We've been friends for a long time. Mike runs an awesome channel. He's an awesome person. And we've become good friends over the years. We kind of came up together. His channel blew up. He's a full-time content creator where I still run my businesses, and I don't have as large of a YouTube channel as him, so I'm really grateful that he's allowing me to come on and talk some cryptocurrency with him. So moving on, I'm actually gonna buy something on here because I want you guys to see the full user experience, because I need to buy a microphone. I'm gonna borrow one for this live stream. I've been doing live streams for a while without all the right gear, and now I'm gonna have it. So I'm gonna buy a microphone in cryptocurrency, and specifically Bitcoin Cash. The Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash are both accepted on here. And the reason I use Bitcoin Cash is because it's so much cheaper to use. Bitcoin can cost you up to $50 just to buy it. The fees on the network can get extremely expensive, and moving them around can be very expensive. So that part of the savings that you're getting by buying on here is kind of taken away. So I don't really like that. All right, so before I started this video, I found a microphone that I like. It's already in my checkout. So I'm gonna go over here. On Purse, you just search for anything. So I was searching for the HyperX SoloCast. That's the name of the microphone. All right, so let's go over here. Let's check out, let's name our discount, and let's buy this microphone. All right, so I'm in the checkout and it says set your discount. It automatically wants to give me a 5% off, so I'm saving a couple bucks. Now it says here, move the slider to choose a discount. Based on current market conditions, we recommend 10 to 15%. Now that's because by the time the order fills, they want to make sure they can sell it, and obviously cryptocurrency can be a little volatile, so they want to make sure they can move it relatively quick. So I'm going to save 15%. I'm going to save $7.50 on here. Let me go over here. There I'm saving $7.50. The Purse fee is what Purse.io makes for money. Obviously they're offering a service and savings here and brokering the money. Let them get the fee. We're going to continue to check out here. Now we're going to go select shipping address. I'm gonna blur that out. We'll ship to my address. Review order. Let's get to the fun part. Proceed to payment. Now it's asking me here, payment method. Now I mentioned before I want to use Bitcoin Cash because it is much easier to use. It looks like there's also other Purse partners down there. I'm gonna choose Bitcoin Cash. It looks like you can use Ethereum, Litecoin, Zcash, or even a credit card. Well, let's use Bitcoin Cash because of the cheap fees, and also a very good to use wallet is bitcoin.com with it. So it's saying send Bitcoin Cash to this address. I have a bitcoin.com wallet. You can go to bitcoin.com and get a wallet pretty easily. And I'm just gonna go over here. I'm gonna open my mobile wallet. It already knows exactly what it wants to open. I go to my Bitcoin wallet, I go to my BCH wallet, and it already knows exactly how much the order is. And then bam. The order is sent. So beautiful. Now the wonky part that I've come across, when I come back to Purse, it doesn't look like anything happened. It says complete payment and the clock's still going. And it goes payment method Bitcoin. It's like, no, I sent Bitcoin Cash. Because if you send Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin to the wrong addresses, you're gonna lose that crypto. So you don't wanna do that. But anyways, using it now several times, I'm very confident I'm gonna get my microphone, and actually you'll get an update as soon as the order's filled. They'll shoot you an email to your email you have with your login account. So pretty simple, log in, it hooks up directly to your wallet. Now what I do after I buy cryptocurrency is I go to my Voyager account and I buy more Bitcoin Cash. You'll hear a lot of Bitcoin Maximals people that only like Bitcoin BTC, you'll hear them say like, how could you give away your Bitcoin? And it's like, well, I didn't really give it away. Like, it's what I use for payments. And I use and support the network by giving it to other people, and people give it back to me. So we're creating this whole network effect of using it. So I'm going over to log into my Voyager account. I just want to plug Voyager right now. I like the platform. It's pretty easy to use. And if you sign up with the Voyager referral code, you'll get a free $25 in Bitcoin BTC. So not only do you save money on Amazon by watching this video, but you can make yourself a free $25 by using the referral code. I'll have it linked in the pinned comment. I'll do the pinned comment. I haven't done that in a while. So if you just sign up there, you'll be all set. Not that you have to use mine, but if you want to use mine, you can. And then also when you're for other people, you'll get $25 too. So that's pretty cool. So I just go in here and I click on Bitcoin Cash. And a lot of times I'll buy a little extra. I'll convert more fiat into Bitcoin Cash. So I just spent around 42 bucks. I'm gonna go and buy $100 worth of Bitcoin Cash. So don't let people confuse you. It's like, oh, I wanna hold this stuff forever and never give it away, but like it's great money. You wanna use it and replenish it. So convert your fiat into it when you spend it, and you never have an issue with giving it away or whatever you want to call it. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Have you ever used purse.io before? It's different, it's a kind of a brokerage in a way, but it definitely offers value, a lot of savings. So everything you buy on Amazon going forward, you can use Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin for. But Bitcoin, you're going to lose out on a lot of those savings, in my opinion, because the fees associated with moving it around can eat into what you're trying to save. But if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. It'll help more people see this video and more people save money on Amazon. And to see more content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also tap that notification bell so YouTube notifies you every time I upload a video, which is every week. Also follow me on my other social platforms. I'm on noise.cash, which is another platform you can use cryptocurrency on. And my screen name over there is Ryan Giffen 2. So pretty much you go on there, you tweet things around. There's a couple 100,000 people that actually use this platform, and every time you like someone's post, they get Bitcoin Cash. So it's a different form of content monetization that's being funded by an angel investor to prove the concept, but it's really cool to see how this non-sovereign currency can just move around on a social platform and not like you're sending money to someone in the Philippines and sending dollars and whatever their native currency is. You don't have to exchange it. They can just use this internet native currency. And then you can also follow me on Instagram. My name there is rgiffen89. I post there pretty much daily. And yeah, I guess the last thing I'll plug is if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency and how you can use them, you can come to my golf tournament on September 27th in South Florida at PGA National. We're hosting an event where we're going to talk about how to use cryptocurrency in your life and use it for payments and use it for business and all those fun things that have changed the world. There's a whole new monetary system that now exists that didn't before, and that is growing massively in value. So how can you become a part of it? It's cool to speculate on it and invest in it, but actually get into the crypto economy. It's going to be the fastest growing economy for the next 10 years, just like it was for the last 10 years. So that's pretty much all I got for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching to the end.
And I'll see you in my next one.